Would you like to create a similar animation? Do this. Go to Preferences and add Cell Fracture in the add-ons. Eliminate the camera, the light because they are annoying, and eliminate the default cube. Now add a torus, but this works with any meshes, and shade smooth. Select torus, go to Object on Quick Effect and Cell Fracture. Source limit to 200 and noise to 1. Press OK. After generation, eliminates the main torus. Now try to replicate what I do. I will put in time-lapse. Here you will have to proceed as you like. And now you will have to select all the fragments and press I to get a keyframe. After that, choose another keyframe, move the fragments as you like and press I again. The game is done. For the texture, I simply imported for Blender Kit. The video ends here. If you have any questions, write me in the comments. I hope you found the tutorial useful. Until the next video.